Hello, I will demonstrate Google Translation combining with APEX Translation in these videos. I go through all the steps in this article so you can review it step by step. First of all, you need to install the a plugin from APEX Word or from GitHub. You can get it here. Then after that, you go to the utility shared component plugin and import it. I can use it in the global page. As you can see here, this is the translate widget. Okay, we go back to page 0 to show you what exactly how we can set up the widget here. It's very easy. You can go to the dynamic action in page load and then use the translate widget, select the original language and then pass the translate to with separated comma. You can find all the language mapping here and you can select which look you wanted, floated, pop-up, whatever, and the position you want it in the inline or you want it like floating in the bottom or the top. So the widget will show like this. Okay, so as you can see here, this is changing to other language. Let's see, Urdu. Okay. Okay. Oh, sorry. For this page, I did not translated. I will explain why. That's to combine it with the APEX translation. So as you can see here, it will change the language. If you go to Arabic, you will see also Arabic language. Okay. So let's go back to how to combine it with the APEX translation. From the shared component, we need to define a language, and then after we define a language, we need to seed this language. We can translate it using Excel file. I already show you one of the application to do that. Okay, but in this easier for us, we can use the translation repository here from the utility, and from the dynamic translation you can use the dynamic translation from here, and after that you publish it and seed it. So for example, this page it's combined the APEX translation with Google Translation. So in this page I don't want to get the text from Google or the translation text from Google. So what I should do in the page level, I can do that in the region or in the column, but in the page level I can set CSS class no translate here, and after that it will not be reflected by Google Translation. So we need to go to translation repository and translate each static one of these. Okay, and any dynamic coming from the database, we can do it from dynamic translation. Okay, what about like how we do switching this, like, because it's switching the language. So in the shared component in the globalization, we need to do the define the language based item as item preferences, and then we go to the shared component back and define like item application items, and we name it as a FS language preferences. Okay, and we should make it unrestricted so we can change it from the Ajax. Okay, so again from the process we can set the value for this this item by passing from the Ajax attribute. I already put all the steps, just I'm reviewing the step with you here. So you can go to the page 0 global page, in the click here you set like it's a dynamic body, and it's a click which query selector get link. Okay, so if you can see here, the class for each language, it's get link. Okay, and you will see here data dash gt dash lang equal English, and for other, like see, like the Arabic will be like AR, Ukrainian, like this. Okay, so what we do here exactly, we just set a get the data lang. Okay, get the attribute value, which gt lang, data gt lang, and then pass it to the item through the Ajax process. Okay, so that's it. You can go through all this from here for this step one by one from this article, and for upcoming video you can subscribe in the video. So that's it. Salam.